Hi everyone, I'm Cindy, and today we're going to go over some helpful resources. So some different tools that'll help narrow down VOC sources. So here we have the websites that we use on a regular basis, what's in products.com, PubChem, the NIOSH Pocket Guide, and the ATSDR. But please know that not all chemicals have listings in each of these sites. So you may need to look at multiple sites to view information on each chemical that you're trying to look up. So first we have the Consumer Products Information Database, or what'sinproducts.com. It's the database which provides a wide range of information for both chemicals and consumer household products. You have the ability to search by chemical to see the product that contains each one, or you have the ability to search by product to see which chemicals are contained. You have the ability to search via the CAS number or the chemical name. Typically, the CAS number is the suggested option. So if we use naphthalene as our example, you would enter the CAS number for naphthalene into the search box, so 91-20-3. You'll then see the chemical under list of chemicals, and you'll click on the blue hyperlink. You can see different products containing naphthalene after that. So you can see here, there's 198 brands that contain naphthalene. And then alternatively, you can search by products contained in the home. So you can search for a product by typing the product name in the search box. So we're going to use mothballs as our example this time. So you'll type mothballs into the search box, and then a list of these products will be generated, different brands. You'll click on each product to see the chemical composition. And here you'll see that this product does contain naphthalene, which is our chemical of concern that we were looking up before. There will be a list of chemical ingredients, including their CAS number, function, and whether it is a chemical of concern. You can click the link for each individual chemical for more information. Next, we have PubChem. So PubChem is a resource used to obtain chemical information from authoritative sources. It is the world's largest collection of freely accessible chemical information. You can search either using the chemical name or the CAS number. So let's use ethanol as our example. So we'll search by the CAS number again. Ethanol's CAS number is 64-17-5. So after you search, you'll click on the chemical name to bring up the chemical information. To the right, you will see a table of contents. Here you can look at a plethora of information. So we click on the hyperlink, and then we look over to the right. So the sections out of that list on the right that we find most helpful are the title and summary, the use and manufacturing, the safety and hazard, and toxicity. Next, we have the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, or NIOSH, Pocket Guide. The NIOSH Pocket Guide provides workers, employers, and occupational health professionals with information regarding chemicals and their hazards. The NPG gives general industrial hygiene information for hundreds of chemicals for classes. So let's use 2-butanone as our example. You can search using the chemical name or the CAS number. Let's use the CAS number. 2-butanone's CAS number is 78-93-3. So click on the link for the compound, in this case, 2-butanone. Scrolling through, you'll see the workplace REL, or the recommended exposure limit, if it's available. If it's available, it'll be down here on the left where it's circled in green. The next website we have is the Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry, or the ATSDR. The ATSDR provides access to their database to look up common odors and their smell characteristics. So let's use fruity as our odor. So you type fruity into the search bar, and a list of chemicals with this odor characteristic will populate. If one or more of these chemicals appear in your report, then there's a possibility that it is the odor culprit. So you see here that we look up fruity, and you have things like acetone and anise star oil and whatnot that all have that fruity characteristic. There is also the ability to search via chemical. So let's use acetone as our example. If you type the chemical found in your results into the search bar to see the odor characteristic for that chemical. So we type in acetone. And then, as you can see, there are multiple compounds that have acetone as one of their components. So please select the exact match. So here at the top on the left, you'll see the second one down is acetone and only acetone. That's the one that you'll want to pick and look at the information for. Next, we have the toxicant-induced loss of tolerance, or TILT research. The Chemical Intolerance Self-Assessment, or the KISI, is a tool to help find out if persons are chemically intolerant. It is used to help identify health problems and to understand responses to various exposures. So this is a quiz that people can take to help determine if they're chemically sensitive. So the quiz is simple and easy to take, and results can then be shared with physicians for medical advice. So that's it today for our helpful resources. But if you have any questions on this or any questions on anything, as always, feel free to email us or give us a call. All right, thanks a lot for listening. Bye, guys.